It's August the 4th, Saturday morning, and doing another section hike today on the Mountain to Sea Trail down here at Soco Gap, and the elevation's right at 4,700 feet. Gonna try to climb up to Waterrock Knob, which is right at 5,800 feet. It's about 4 miles. This is gonna be a one way in, one way out, so looking at 8 mile total. I'm a little over 2.5 miles in, right at 5,400 feet. Means we've got about 400 more feet to climb. And the forest is starting to change. We've got hemlocks and balsams, and this mountain range is known as the plot balsams, and that's where it gets its name. It's from all the balsam trees that only grow at this elevation. So 400 more feet and a little over a mile and a half to go. This is 3 miles in, right at 5,600 feet. This is a nice view looking west. Well, I just checked the altimeter and right at 5,900 feet. I know the parking lot at Waterrock Knob is only 5,800, so trail must climb just a tad higher than the crest, which should be approaching in about half a mile. We're getting close to Waterrock Knob. We're just a hair under 6,000 feet elevation. And there's a beautiful view here looking over towards Yellowface and the clouds rolling over the hills. Made it back to Waterrock Knob, and beautiful view as always. And right down below is where the Mountain to Sea Trail continues. And I'll throw up a link and you can see that section as well, going down to Woodfin Cascades.